The fate of Indiana's near-total abortion ban now rests on a circuit court judge after an intense three-day trial. CBS 4 State House reporter Hannah Adamson has been following the trial since day one. Hannah, what are the key takeaways here?
Well, the prosecutors argue the state's near-total abortion ban is unconstitutional. They say the limited exceptions the ban allows fail to protect Hoosiers, and that in many cases, doctors turn patients who qualify for abortion care away out of fear of prosecution. The ACLU of Indiana argued the language in the ban has an unclear definition that gives doctors pause before performing abortions and in some cases delays much-needed care, which could jeopardize the life of the mother even more. The ban also only allows hospitals but not clinics to perform abortion care, something the ACLU is asking the court to change. Now, a big part of this trial focused on patients with mental health concerns. The prosecution argued Hoosier women with severe mental health issues would not qualify for abortion care under the ban. However, the defense argued abortion is not a definitive treatment for mental health. We did hear from Indiana's Solicitor General James Barta shortly after the trial concluded. He says the defense focused on three things. First, you can't rely on hypotheticals. In other words, the prosecution didn't call forward any witnesses who claimed their rights were actually infringed on. Rather, they relied on the testimony of medical experts. Second, you have to apply precedent to the law, which the defense argues lines up with what Indiana has had on the books ever since it achieved statehood. Third, the ban provides a reasonable judgment exemption medical experts can use to determine whether abortion care is needed. I spoke with an IU law professor about the judge at the heart of this case, the Honorable Kelsey Hanlon, who is expected to release her final decision within the next 60 days.
I think we can trust Judge Hanlon and trust her very strongly to put aside any ideological personal convictions that might dictate a particular outcome here. She has proven her ability to be neutral and consider matters according to the law.
That was Jody Madeira speaking. She says whether or not the ban is upheld, she anticipates the case will end up in the Indiana Court of Appeals, a process which could delay a final decision by several more months. Reporting in studio, Hannah Adamson, CBS 4 News.